Charlie, to that ball. I really ball. I really ball. Charlie, more things that we go talk about today. Before that. What's up, my people? It's your boy Typho Man. I'm back in the two with me. Charlie, if it's your first time out here, consider subscribing to this channel because here we dey drop major keys with the real deal as a real deal. Charlie, to that ball. A ball fucking. I really ball. So yeah, you're still waiting J Ghana from the AFCON inside. We did deserve something for JW for AFCON inside. Because it be shitty things that they do for the back there. Chico. The team number one, they take go step. It be first team. See, if I start to talk the things where like Ghana we foresee to before we go to AFCON safe, like we don't finish. You understand? It's still I really ball. I really ball. How come say we for make Tunisia? Tunisia, team them never score for over like here. You understand? Then they can score we. I don't blame we. We pursue the whole Black Stars for emotional distress. What kind of foolishness is this? Huh? What kind of bullshit is this, bro? See, I really ball. I really ball. Number one, I up here. That guy no get in. You know the coach. If I be ball boy said them for watching CB say if he be qualified. You understand? That guy really make a ball. He really make a ball. How you go feel bench as someone they go feel bench someone. You demand? What kind of bullshit is this, bro? See, the thing as it starts safe. As Ghana, we won't go that after once say, Ghana, we dey go full. We dey go full. We dey won't spend $50 million. Now AFCON crowd we need AFCON crowd we need. Where Ghana then we won't spend $50 million. For what stop? For what stop? AFCON crowd pay cap and no be $4.5 million you take. Huh? Where Ghana we won't spend $50 million. Ghanaian leaders, they don't know what they take the money do, so they wake up now and they won't take the money do any fresh thing. You just want to spend money. You don't waste money. Unnecessary things. Upon the $50 million we won't waste safe. See foolish pictures they won't take come see, they won't take go do AFCON. See some of these foolish pictures. Shasamoje and Ghana flag or media friend. What kind of bullshit is this? What kind of nonsense is this? See, I really bore. Today, I really bore. And some of pet tanking so we so cause the way I'm make hot for you. I really bore. What Ghana people did they do? You know, they make sense, especially the leaders. What kind of bullshit is this? Most say it's a phone, or we are not going to picture so much ball phone. Yesterday, the what they play, no correct formation. I don't know. They walk, they packed up. I don't know what he did. They were head inside. They were head inside. Then they coach some foolish ego. You don't understand. Because yeah, you finish, he say he left the team inside. Now we here. Like if you did the team inside, like we go sack you. We go sack you, then we go pummel you from the nation inside self. Because you didn't make any sense for the country inside. Nonsense. More from Kwan and Motegan and Amobo. Huh? People they take 23-man squad, they go do training. Then you take 29, go do. You mad? You finish go there after they go do shit like that, like this. You the crazy? I really ball. Today, I really ball. I really ball. Cause see, we dey hear people where them go fit manage one a team. See, the whole Black Stars them for dissolve the team. Them for dissolve the team. We for sure they do you for pay before you go enter that sense or before we go start win something. Ever since them born me, I never see say Black Stars we wear cap say before. What kind of shit is this? You people want make a die before I go see say my people go take cap. What kind of bullshit is this? I really ball. Ghana Black Stars, it be foolish team. We see shit self I want talk self. You know they come. You really know they come. Cause if I talk say I go blow my mind right now. What are they are blow? They be intro. You understand? They be intro. Ghana Black Stars be waste. I could see up here. They for Banam. You know for enter Ghana self. What did they show say this guy be coach? the talk say, see, what is some bomb be say the president sang go tweet say it be this guy. Mr. President, watch your way. Cause really a ball, really ball. You then your people go waste $50 million for AFCON top. You know go take the money do something better. What they go share Ghana from? Ghana Blasters, what they go do give you? What they go do give the nation? As you they pick the 50 million, you think say the cap said then they go away camp, it be 4.5 million if they weigh the cap. $4.5 million pay until you won't waste a double of that money plus some safe. Take go do Ghana people. And when you in this, the result is this. Newton said go fit do your job. Newton for Augusco said go fit do your job. Now I'm going to talk about Newton. That guy is some devil guy, Midonyame. The National Science and Maths Quiz, Midonyame. Hey, the people that spotted. See, I they watch it say now feel. Hey, see, Papa and Mama, bro. They don't take me go better school. Midonyame. Then they make me feel say we no go better school. See, if you they watch me, Bob Rao never back go better school, Midonyame. Cause if your people no go or guess go them presect them, it check like your people they no go school. Me see yesterday they watch National Science and Maths Quiz. Me see, oh, Chico, it be palmy. Hey, see, like Peter, like I won't go Peter, so I won't go Peter, but sister. And the kai as a DJ says, Chico. I go tell my sister say, as we come select school, I tell my sister say, I won't go Peters. What's about you science? C'est quoi je ne crois si. Ne crois si. Peters, où personne go Peters, c'est quoi science? Jamais y aller. Madame, me I won't go Peters. Hey, 50 minutes. Chico, I go bed like 1 week. I stood in the bar. I come, I say I won't change her. Chico, I come and send a copy say. So come then my mommy they tell me say don't make you go boarding school. I say okay, I hear. Then I go there, I cry like that. I come and say oh I'll go presec. I still won't do science. Can't see my sister say no. What's up presec or person call your science? The way my sister demean me, the way she demean me, yesterday I take put my WhatsApp status. She can't call me. Oh, they want me there. Oh, Charlie, me there. Oh, me, I tell my mind for the phone talk. I tell my mind. Ah, when dream shattering says this. The woman shattered my dreams. She shattered my dreams. Chico, I tell him, say, oh, Charlie, you're chill, right? I don't go pre-sex safe again. Make a go a crack. I'll say, I'm one person we bought over here. Chico. I swear, she just blew my dream away. I swear. She just blew my dream away. I say, okay, you know something? You just choose the school. Okofabaya, Akrai, Kateku, Krimetu. Ah! Hey, you! What kind of shit is this? You want me to go Kateku or Krimetu? At least I used to the just no. Kateku ni Krimetu, they me live no. School got down. They are really ball. They are really ball. So yeah, that's my story for the school light up. You understand? So Charlie, as it come the National Science and Maths Quiz inside. The finals, yeah, presec, them go, Augusco to them go, St. Peter's to them trip there. But that Augusco guy, that Newton boy, see, Newton left in descendants. Newton left me in descendants, where that boy Charlie, then check like the round 4 and round 5, we change him into the round of Newton, because that guy be mad. He be serious boy. He be very serious boy. The finals, he will be mad. So we could see the people where you figure say they will win. Me say mon mabla o na mon fa mon banko school pa. Yeah, go school pa there. Yanka. So yeah, Charlie. Like I told you, more things they will talk about. In other news, Satawale say Charlie this year the Akwaba UK them Ghana party in the park this year no. He say oh, but in brother Stonebwoy yeah, them there he will go to Charlie. Make them root give and sons. Wait, Charlie Stonebwoy watch that so Charlie Chico. Then the surprise we plan and says they don't go be that too. Charlie. But I watch the team there and say, Western they go on for a year. So Charlie that thing the way you check like as you read that thing there, you check like Stonebwoy won't make Akwaba people, you know the Akwaba UK people them a vibe. They won't make them. That's what the team make them. Your friend is saying. Make Shatawale to drop there. Cause like on the bell then Shatawale and Stonebwoy them all day. Oh, more artists too they on, you understand? Yeah, more people there on the bell. You feel the vibe. But then Charlie, the way the whole unity vibe come inside there, this area, we don't say like the highlights there. If you Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale, they can claim them. Feel the vibe. Yeah. But as Shatta Wale can grab that same and say, something there. You know, check like they won't do like, it will come. You know, will come. You then it will make people feel say, oh, Charlie, at the long run, say, if Shatta Wale talks, it will come. So if you drop no, it will be epic. In the Chico, if you know say you will go, Chico, buy your tea, then go. Buy your ticket, then go. Because me say sometimes I go drop there. If I get this, I'm quite there. So yeah, Charlie. Today AFCON in 10 way just make a ball. Really make a ball. But yeah, Charlie, my new subscribers, thanks for the 3K subs. Yeah. Thank you guys. Stay tuned, because I've got more just for you. You understand? Today no long term. Yeah. Ghana people didn't make a ball. They really make a ball. They sack the people all. You see how they sack Egypt and my people? They sack everybody for Ghana. That Ghanaian black star stuff, everybody, they sack them. They be useless people. They don't get aim for life inside. They just don't waste all the money. Who can buy football front and time they change as someone just for retire. That guy is just for retire. Cause I really know the bab. The Ghana Blasters I just know the bab. See, I really ball. I really ball. I don't get upset. You know what? Like this video. Share. Comment down below. I mean, you know. Yeah, then subscribe to my channel. It's your boy Typhoba, and I'm out.